Okay, good people, in front of us we have May 2023, paper 1, Timezone 1, question number 7. You may pause the video and then try the question before we discuss it together. Okay, in this question we have a pyramid with the square base. It means EB is 20, BC is also 20. Question A, we have to write down the upper bound and lower bound for the possible length of AC. This is correct to the nearest tenth. It means for question A, we have 14.6. It can go up by 0.05 or it can go down by 0.05. Okay, because this is to the 10th. To the 10th, it means 0.01 divided by 2 is 0.05. It can go up by 0.05. It can go down by 0.05. So it means the upper bound will be equals with 14.6 plus 0.05 equals with 14.65. And then the lower bound will be 14.6 minus 0.05, which is equals with 14.55. That's the lower bound. That's question A. Question B. Point H is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Determine the upper bound and lower bound for AH. The slant height of the pyramid. The slant height of the pyramid is this AH. We know HC is 10 because BC is 20 and then HC is in the middle. So we can use we can use HC and AC to calculate AH using Pythagorean theorem. So for question B, the upper bound will be equals with square root of we pick the upper bound as well, which is 14.65. 14.65 square minus 10 square equals to let's input it to our calculator. Okay, this is from the previous question. Okay, so we have square root of 14.65 square minus 10 square is 100. Just put 100 here, equals with 10.706. So we have 10.706 or approximately 10.7. That's upper. And then for the lower, we also use the lower bound, which is 14.55. 14.55 square minus 10 square. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit. So we will have, okay, I'm too lazy to write from the beginning, so 14.55 it is. Enter, we have 10.5689, so it's equals with 10.5689 blah blah blah, or approximately 10.6 centimeter. This is also in centimeter. Okay, that's question B. Question C. For the post to be safe for children, the angle between the slant height and the base of the pyramid must be less than 22. Show that this post is safe for the children. Justify your answer. So, I think we can check both of the upper and lower end. What happened if we have the 10.7 and then 10.6, and then see what happened over there. So we know this one. We'll make a little triangle here to help us calculate the angle between the slant height and then the base. The slant height is this, the base is this one. So this is the angle that we are looking for. We'll draw it here. New one. This is question C. Okay. So this is 10. Why is it 10? Because it's half of EB. This is 10. And then the slant height, it can be 10.7. It can be 10.6. Let's use 10.7 first. Okay, what's the angle here? It's alpha. So if it is this case, let's name the sides. This 10.7 will be the hypotenuse, and then this 10 will be the adjacent. So kahtoa, we have A and H will be cos. So to find the angle, so it means alpha is equals with cos inverse adjacent 10 divided by 10.7. So alpha equals with, let's input it to our calculator, second cos, we have 10 divided by 10.7. What do we got? Oops, 10.7. What do we got? The angle is, oh sorry, it's in radian. We have to change that into change it into degree. See, make practice make perfect. Okay, we have 20.83. We have 20.83. This is still less than 22, which is safe, but let's check for the other height. Sorry, the other slant height, 10.6. If we are using 10.6, wait, I'll use different color for this. It's basically the same. I don't have to write it again, but that's okay. I'll do it for you. This is, I'll call it beta. This is 10.6. So the same, yeah. So beta is equals with cos inverse adjacent 10 divided by 10.6. So beta is equals with, okay, we don't have to type it from the beginning. We can change the 7 becomes 6. Enter. We have 19. It's even more. Sorry, even less. 19 point blah blah blah. 19 point. Okay, this is not good. I'll put it 19.37. 19.37 degree. Now, as both of them is less than 22, so it is safe. So it is safe for children. You can just say it is safe. I think that's it for this question. I hope it helping you for this question. Thank you.